The harvest festival of Pongal is full of delectable food. Here are two of its seminal dishes made easy. Ven Pongal is of the savoury variety. Start off with half a cup of short grain rice and half a cup of Moong dal. We'll saute these for a bit just to enhance the flavour. When it's aromatic, add a tablespoon of ghee. Some chopped ginger and salt. Now add water and pressure cook for 5 whistles. We want this to be soft. If your rice is new, then add 3 cups. And for old rice, you may need to add 4 or even 6 cups of water. Take ghee in a pan. Oil is a complete no-no. Add some cumin and cashews and let them get toasty and golden. Now add some curry leaves and crushed peppercorns. Pour it over and your soothing pongal is ready. Serve this with coconut chutney and sambar. Very simple and highly satisfying. The second Pongal recipe is a sweet dish, Sakkarai Pongal made with Jaggery. Heat up some ghee. We'll roast only the dal before adding the rice, along with 3 cups of water. We'll pressure cook this for 5 whistles until it becomes a mushy consistency. Now we liquefy some jaggery along with water in a pan on low to medium heat. Stir often and make sure there are no lumps. Add this to the rice mixture. As this comes together, we'll fry some nuts in ghee. We're using cashews and raisins. Feel free to use your own combinations. Add these to the mixture along with some cardamom powder. Give it a good stir to incorporate everything and then you're ready to serve. 2 traditional Pongal recipes for you to try this Sankranti, hot from the Glamrs kitchen. If you like these, let us know and share your favorites in the comments below. Thanks for watching.